So now we'll know what are statements in Java. So there are different types of statements in Java that forms the building block of a Java program, like we discussed. There are different types of statements in Java. There are declaration statements, initialization statements, assigning statements, looping statements, conditional statements, and printing statements. Combining all these statements together will form a Java program. So that Java program is a combination of data plus code. So this Java program is a combination of all these statements. Now, first statement. What are declaration statements? Everything in Java starts with declaration. Declaring something, declaring class. The first and foremost thing we have to talk about when we start learning Java is class. Class in Java. Class in Java is a skeleton where we write our Java program, or you can say blueprint, a skeleton or blueprint that allows us to write a Java program and creating objects, and more importantly wrapping up data and code together. So in class, the first and foremost thing we declare in a Java program is class. Class is a keyword. Class, a name, you can say addition, add something, and in between these two braces, curly braces, we write all our program that has data plus code, which we have discussed here. So this data and code, all this will be in the class. First thing we declare in Java is a class. So class is a blueprint or skeleton where we write all our Java program, where we create objects, methods, loops, all these things in the class that wraps up data and code together. That is class in Java. So while declaring a class, we need to know few things like indentation. Indentation is very important in Java because Java is a case-sensitive programming language compared to other programming languages, and it follows indentation very authentically. So while declaring a class, you should declare a class with in a specific format. After using the class keyword, the name should start with capital letter or small letter. After completion of first word, the second coming word has to start with capital letter for sure. For example, if you are using addition, if you are declaring class as addition number, you can declare with the capital letter A, and should be capital as soon as the addition gets done. I mean, addition word gets completed. Or you can start with small a and then the number should be capital. So this is how you declare a class in Java. Now, there are few things that we need to know while declaring a class in Java. So Java program is a highly object-oriented high-level programming language and object-oriented programming language. That means it should be written written in a plain English language. So while declaring a class, as we following the indentation, then we have to follow another thing, that is giving class its accessibility, declaring an accessibility to a class, you can say simply. So here we are in declaration statements. We need to declare the accessibility for the class. That means the class can be used upon its requirement. So there is a keyword, there is another declaring statement, public class can give this addition number. So this public gives access to this class, in the sense access in the sense how it can be used, where it can be used. So this keyword public gives the access to the class. That means this public is called as an access modifier, you can say, or access specifier, simply access modifier or access specifier.